He's gonna scare the fish away. Look at that. Look at him. He's gonna scare the fish. I'm gonna make the fish come. Look. I mean,
Lord of mercy.
not that
Whoa.
way. See,
Whoa.
see, he.
Whoa.
Why you gotta be thinking all nasty?
Good morning, and welcome to another adventure with AG Born Jamaican
and PrincessAG TV.
Now today,
we're going fishing.
In the south is catfishing. So follow us on our adventure. Check this out. Whenever we go fishing, she likes to have a little competition with me.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
To see who catches the most fish.
I caught the most fish twice.
Lie she tell.
No, it's no lie she tell. The first 2 times we went, I won.
Okay.
And then the rest of the times we went, you won. That was like, so it's like 3-2.
Now today, for our bait, we're gonna use raw shrimp. Look like catfish love raw shrimp. A lot of people use liver. It hits that water and it gets soggy and it comes right off. Fish can just bite it right off. Don't even get hooked.
Now ladies, and you wanna go fishing? You can go. Have fun. If you don't, you know, you don't have to put the stuff on the hook or anything like that. If he's a good fisherman and likes to fish, he'll put it on the hook for you. And then when you catch your fish, he'll help you reel it in and he'll take it off. I
ain't taking a squat off.
Yes, you are. You do it all the time. Stop fronting for the camera. He takes it off all the time. I don't take it off. Don't be chicka. Why are you talking to yourself?
Because I'm Jamaican. I'm born Jamaican. I can't do that.
You're Jamaican too. Born Jamaican too.
What part of you born Jamaican?
Montego Bay. No, Ocho Rios.
Also known as
Orchid.
That's me. Orchid.
Orchid. My backside. Red. So look out for AG Born Jamaican and PrincessAG TV. Boop, boop, boop.
What do you got?
2. Hello.
Yeah, la cámara.
Hola, yes.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
I'm just changing out the sinker. I had to take it off. over here, you don't need a sinker.
So you're gonna leave it long?
That can be adjusted. I had to put a bigger hook. As you can see, we're out here fishing, and so far, only caught one. But I'm not giving up yet. And they're not biting on my line, they're biting on other people's line. I got a nice size one. The one I have is about 3.5, 4 pounds. I might give it away. I don't know yet. You see it. That's it. PrincessAG over there fishing. I have a few people here. At this lake, you have one. You have another big one over there. You got a small one over here. There's some big ass fish out here. But I can't catch them off. Nothing. Can't catch nothing. Just one. I keep eating my bait. It means I have good bait. But it is what it is.
Alright, put a shrimp on mine.
The other one I had was bigger. And this with the shrimp.
He got his another number 2.
No, I'm coming over there with my worm for them bad boy.
Okay, put a shrimp on mine. 2 to 1.
2 to what?
2 to 0, my bad.
This was just a day, you know, out fishing and caught 2 fat fish and a turtle. Had to let the turtle go. I don't know who eats turtle, but hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out PrincessAG Tv, also Life with King and Shay, and I want you to go and check out my man, the Smoken'Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.